This video, I'm going to teach you how to link connect Stripe to Acuity Scheduling. In order to do that, first, head over right here into your Acuity Scheduling. If you can find it, you can head over to acuityscheduling.com and from in there, click on this Get Started in order to create an account. If you already have one, proceed to click on this login right here in order to log in. So since I already have one, here is what it looks like. In order to link connect your Stripe, what we can do is we can head over first into our payments option. You can find it by going to your left sidebar right here. Once you're in there, you can see your payment settings as well as your payment processors. Here is our Stripe. With this, you can enjoy a streamlined checkout with digital wallets, card payments, and tap to pay. Click on the disconnect option. This will load right here and this will redirect us to our next stop, which is a new window to connect Stripe. So just wait for this to successfully load. Into this part, just input your Stripe email address. Let me head over and input mine. Click on the submit option. And then after that, next thing about this is this will redirect you to actually sign in into your Stripe itself. Wait for this to load and enter right here your password. Head over and click on submit right here. Now, once you have done that, you will be redirected to Stripe in order to connect it directly into the Acuity. We have in here the two payments as well as two-factor authentication. But once you're done with this, you can head over it and then just click on the next. And after that, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to be connected to the Acuity scheduling itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, comment them down as well.